If you are looking for a captivating mix of romance, family drama, and thought-provoking storytelling, Something About the Briggs is a movie you shouldn't miss. Now streaming in cinemas, this gripping film is written, produced, and directed by Bukola Ogunsola. With an incredible cast featuring Daniel Etim-Effiong, Ariake Dimples, Stan Ence, Rita Dominic, Iyabo Ojo, Bukky Wright, Kalu Aikagwu, Elmer Mabadiwe, Linda Ejiofor-Suleiman, Tinboson Ayedehin, Norbert Young, Gloria Anozie-Young, and Simi Dre, the movie delivers an emotional and unforgettable cinematic experience. Plot summary. The movie tells the story of the Briggs family. Sophie Briggs is a successful corporate lawyer who has sworn off marriage, believing it to be a doomed institution, especially for the Briggs family. Growing up, she witnessed firsthand how love crumbled into pain and resentment in her household. Her parents' marriage was a battlefield, and now her siblings' relationships are no different. For Sophie, saying, "I do," is nothing short of signing up for a lifetime of misery. However, when she meets Chuck Obi, a charming PR firm owner who believes in love and commitment, her worldview is challenged. Chuck is smitten and proposes marriage, but Sophie refuses, citing the Briggs curse as her reason. Unwilling to give up, Chuck insists on meeting her family, determined to prove that love can survive even the most dysfunctional environments. What follows is a series of eye-opening visits to the chaotic marriages of Sophie's siblings. Richard and Nina are couples. Richard is a controlling and emotionally unavailable husband who contributes nothing, leaving Nina financially and emotionally drained. Jason and Bimbo marriage is constantly under strain due to Bimbo's overbearing mother, Bukky Wright, whose interference leads to endless conflicts. Cynthia and Olumide. Cynthia dominates her husband, making all the decisions and forcing intimacy on her terms, leaving Olumide feeling trapped. Despite numerous warning signs, Sophie and Chuck's love grew regardless. Just as she starts to rethink her views on marriage, a shocking revelation turns the Briggs family's world upside down. Performances. Ariake Dimples shines as Sophie Briggs, delivering a performance that perfectly captures the internal battle of a woman who wants to believe in love but is paralyzed by her past. She balances confidence with vulnerability, making Sophie a character the audience can deeply connect with. Daniel Etim-Effiong as Chuck Obi is equally impressive, bringing charm, patience, and warmth to his role. His chemistry with Ariake is organic, and their evolving relationship feels natural rather than forced. Stan Enze's portrayal of Richard Briggs is another standout performance. He embodies the entitled and emotionally manipulative husband so convincingly that viewers will find themselves frustrated with his character. Elmer Mabadiwe's depiction of Nina, a woman caught between love and survival, is heartbreaking. She delivers some of the most emotional moments in the film, making Nina's struggles deeply affecting. Iyabo Ojo and Bukky Wright also deserve praise for their roles as Bimbo and her mother, respectively. Iyabo Ojo's performance as a woman torn between loyalty to her mother and commitment to her husband is layered, while Bukky Wright's commanding presence as the overbearing mother-in-law makes her character feel all too real. What I liked. 1. The raw emotion. The film doesn't romanticize love and marriage but rather explores its complexities. The different relationships within the Briggs family highlight various challenges people face, making the movie deeply relatable. 2. Chemistry between leads. Ariake Dimples and Daniel Etim-Effiong's performances make Sophie and Chuck's love story believable. Their interactions feel genuine, and the push and pull dynamic adds depth. 3. Engaging storytelling. Despite its flaws, the film keeps the audience invested. The explosive revelation about Femi Briggs' long-lost son adds a compelling twist that raises the stakes for the entire family. 4. Cinematography and direction. The film is visually appealing, with polished cinematography that enhances the storytelling. Bukola Ogunsola's direction ensures that the emotional weight of each scene is felt. What could have been better? 1. Character development. Some characters, like Cynthia and Olumide, could have been given more depth. Their marital struggles are interesting but feel somewhat rushed compared to the other storylines. 2. Pacing issues. The first half of the film takes its time, but the second half moves too quickly, leaving some plot points underdeveloped. Richard's downfall, for instance, could have been explored more deeply. My thoughts. Despite its minor flaws, Something About the Briggs is a compelling Nollywood film that sparks meaningful conversations about love, family, and the struggles of marriage. The movie succeeds in delivering a story that feels real, heartfelt, and thought-provoking. Something About the Briggs is a must-watch for anyone who enjoys Nollywood dramas with depth and authenticity. I will rate this movie a solid 8 over 10. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video.